Picture yourself in a boat on a river with tangerine trees and marmalade skies. Somebody calls you. Be a good night feeling. I can't wait to see the dress. Maze! Hi! Nipple, nipple.
Smile, Donna, you're on candid camera. It's a video.
Yariv is really nice.
Nothing compare to you.
Can
you?
No.
Inge is getting married.
Who?
Inge.
Mazal tov! Yofi.
What?
Donna, Kaya, smile immediately. And now say something fun.
Masal tov kapara kapara.
Your turn, Kaya. You look like a zombie.
Congratulations.
It's a video, it's not a camera.
Fuck. Inge, it's your wedding. Let's come to say hi.
Okay, you can lead everyone.
It's gonna be a video.
And I'm here. I need to also.
Yo, this dress is gorgeous. Donna's falling.
That was the funniest thing which just happened.
No, I'm kidding.
Say something to say fun things. It's a video.
Oh! And I'm like, Inge, I love you. You're the most beautiful bride ever.
Leave, you look so sexy.
Nachon?
We love you, Inge.
Thanks for Inge. Hi, Inge. Congratulations, darling. And you look absolutely beautiful.
Wow. You're so gorgeous.
Where are all the dancers?
It's
Oh,
called...
Inge, you're so sexual.
Right, you sound like me.
Congratulations, my love. My love.
I want to do also.
It's already recording. It's recording now.
It is?
Ken, but if you like, that's gonna make it really difficult to edit.
Hi, Moses, what do you have to say?
Hi, Inge. I will try not to drop you too many times. Dancers, I command you to dance. Dun 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 dun.
I'm so excited.
And I just can't hide it.
Me. חתיך. איפה חתיכים? איפה? Date me? Date us? Who's getting married? What? Who's getting married? Me. I want to. Who is?
I did so in the book.
No. Don't talk about yourself. It's Inge's night.
It's not a picture.
What are we doing?
It's a video.
It's a video? What I'm supposed to... Inge, I love you. Mazal tov.
Donna.
Mazal tov, Inge, Yariv, we love you.
Ellie.
When I gave the word, now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of soul. I hear Jerusalem missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once you'd gone, it was never an honest word. And that was when I ruled the world.
We commit to grow together as one, yet as we do, we will never forget being two individuals with goals and dreams of our own who continue to walk together and apart. But whichever routes we choose, our destination will always remain the same.
אנו מתחייבים שביתנו יהיה תמיד מלא בצחוק, דמיון, אמון, חום, פתיחות, רגישות, שמחה והבנה.
Never imagined 5 years ago, when I came to Israel, that I would not only find true love, but also my best friend, ongoing support, and the kindest, caring soul. You inspire me to be the best person I can be, and you make my life so much better by standing by my side. You let me completely be myself and even love me more for it, despite my drama moments and shachi episodes. When I look back on these 5 years, it's been a completely crazy and fun journey, and I'm so proud the way we tackled problems together, laughed together, took care of one another, and have been each other's biggest support. I vow to continue our journey together fully committed and with unconditional love, to always have your back, to support you and to guide you when you need. I vow to never forget the love we share, to jump hand in hand over any hurdle life has planned out for us, and to always take the time to tell you how much I love you.
Well, I hope it's not too tacky, but Inge, thank you for falling in love with me. Thank you for letting me fall in love with you. You make me laugh. You bring me happiness. You showed me what a real love is all about. When I see you, I can see myself. You make me who I am. And after tonight, forever. That's why I love you. Ik hou van jou.
Go on, leave me breathless. Come on. The daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you. I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't hide it. Can't fight it.
Is that like crying out? It's a real Cleo!
It's a real Cleo.
It's a real Cleo! It's the bathroom shot. Charles in the bathroom! Woo!
Get ready?
Ma, I'm ready. We're having a sexy bathroom.
Says I'm right. Kung Fu life. Shake your body, mister. Gonna make your body bust a set. Hey, hey, hey. Don't wanna have to make it. I don't wanna have to shake it.
Throw the bouquet!
Wow, is it your fear? Again, stop with the video.
Kai is currently under the table.
No, I'm looking for something.
בסדר. טוב, כאילו, אוקיי, so Whatever.
Ma?
Whatever.
Okay.
So for dinner we are having sea bass. Adi, put your face closer to the sea bass. Yes, I can get it all on the camera now. Good. Kai is feeding Adi.
Oh no, it's okay. Go.
Well, this is Moses.
You don't like fish?
He's not drinking, he's eating.
Because there's no nargila.
Not nargila. You. What? Kadima bitches. You go bitches.
Okay, 1 year until the baby. Okay guys, when do you think that we're gonna have the first baby? In January.
Tomorrow. We already have one. We have two. Karen has two.
No, I mean in January.
Yeah, I know, I understand. I say in a year. 8 months after he puts breast milk. No, she's European. She's going to take her time. She's an intelligent girl. I trust Inge. And the name is going to be Dana's.
It's gonna be Dana and Golal's baby. You're the father.
The name of the baby will be Diana. Because it's from God. That's what he said in the Chuppah. Diana.
Why not
We called her
share?
Diana.
Share.
So that should be the name of the girl.
Share.
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 Diana Share. I give it 2 months.
Tomorrow.
2 months and she's pregnant.
Few months. Like she's gonna get pregnant in like 3 months. No. She needs to get her period first. So 5 years. Stop. Soon, I hope. I want to be a cousin. Between 2 to 3 days.
Minutes.
Where are they? They're in the cut.
Baby making.
No. Let's see, she has Belarus, Cerberus in Israel. She has triple B.
You can do the pushing duet if you're pregnant.
She can do the pushing duet while she's pregnant. She cannot do the duet with Tomer. I will do it, Sababa. She can do the pregnant woman in Sipurei Begadim.
You can do the pregnant woman in Sipurei Begadim. This is a long ass video.
Now I had the time of my life. No, I never felt like this before. Yes, I swear it's a truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waiting for so long, now I finally found some.
Like we looked in the beginning. And
Inge, I'm not drunk, but I look drunk.
He is drunk.
I love you.
She is drunk.
Shh, don't tell.
In the private YouTube channel. how that was filmed also. But that's a secret.
I'm really good at catching you in these moments.
I already said it.
One more.
That's it. And she does as well.
You guys get your moment in a second.
And
This is for Inge, right?
Yeah.
Inge and Yariv, we love you very much. We wish you all the best things in the world, forever and ever. Bekosher.
dancers of Fresco are so narcissist. All they care about is themselves. I love you, honey. Inge, it's the best wedding ever.
Something to say to Inge.
Mazal tov, Inge. I love you, and betzlacha. You two are a beautiful couple, and yes, betzlacha. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at videos, but I love you.
I love you. It was a very special wedding, and I was so excited for you. I love you. You are amazing. You're like a Greek goddess. What's going on here?
No, I don't know what to say now.
Say something else.
Hi, Inge, darling. Firstly, loving the hair, the whole asymmetrical thing totally works on you. And I absolutely loved the couples dance at the beginning. You guys were beautiful. You're a gorgeous couple. Have an amazing, amazing life together. I love you.
Well, I think you're an amazing person, and I'm really thrilled to be in your wedding, and I'm really thrilled that you came to our wedding. And I really wish for you all the best in your life, and whatever you would like to wish for yourself, I wish for you that will come true. And yeah, love.
I love you, Inge. I love you so much.
I was like moving so fast from emotional to happy, to sad, to happy, to emotional, to happy, to happy, to happy. And your dance was so amazing, and you look so beautiful, and it's so perfect, and I love you.
I wish you all the best. I love you so much. I actually cried in the chuppah, which never happened. That means that I love you really, for real. Really. So I love you and Yariv, and I fell in love with Yariv. It's amazing, really. Wow. So I hope you have a good life with great kids. Mwah!
1, 2, 3, not only you and me.